Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by looking at page quality and the exact reason Facebook flagged content. This tells you the path to fix it. While you're there, confirm you're logged in as an admin and that business manager settings match the page. Once done, collect evidence, screenshots, timestamps, and any prior appeal reference numbers to attach. This prevents repeated requests and speeds the review. Make sure to note which post or policy line triggered the restriction so you can address it precisely. Now you craft the appeal. Use the appeal button in page quality or the account quality form within Business Manager so the case routes correctly. Explain clearly why the content complies, attach your screenshots, timestamps, and any corrective actions taken. This shows responsibility and context. If Facebook's notice used another language, include a short translation of your key points. Once submitted, record the case ID and expected wait time. This prevents duplicate appeals and keeps the process organized. Finish by actively monitoring account quality and the email linked to your page for the review outcome, and respond quickly if Facebook asks for more info. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Refine your evidence, clarify policy points, and request a human review within the 7 to 14-day window. If timing is critical or automated responses persist, escalate through business support chat or your Facebook partner representative. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different admin's account to submit the follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.